Welcome back everybody, or welcome to anybody new watching this video. And today we are on the Firestick and we are back mainly with a video which I feel all of you will need at some point. Firestick remotes can be an absolute pain, so we're going to run through the steps, simple method on how to repair it, or if you've got any errors with your remote, how to fix it, pairing issues, setup issues, connection issues with your Firestick. And there's a few steps you can go through to make this work, okay? So things happen. You aren't connected to your Firestick anymore, and for some reason your remote, like this, or whichever generation of remote you have, for whichever generation of Fire TV you're using, whether it's a stick, cube, or anything like that, isn't working. And we're going to quickly show you how to do that. Before I do, remember to hit that subscribe button, check out the rest of the channel, hit that like button, and drop me some form of comment. And if you're a regular watcher and you've liked our recent videos, do hit that share button for us. So, first step. Really simple, really easy. The first thing you're going to do if your remote is not working is we need to take out the batteries. I know it sounds stupid, but open her up, remove these batteries. If you're having any pairing issues, get them out, leave them out for a few seconds. It's one of the simplest things you should always do. It's the simplest way to completely, fully restart your remote, okay? There's no off button for your remote, and we're back. And then, when you fire it back up, you will probably find it works. Okay? That's one step. If that one doesn't work, what you need to do is fully restart your Firestick. Power down, power reset. So not just a restart, complete power off. So that means, I'm not going to show you this part, you know how to do this. Pull the plug out the wall, unplug it for about 30 seconds. Get it completely disconnected for 30 seconds. Power it back up again. Okay? Power it back up again. Let me know, guys, if any of you have been struggling and these tips have helped so far. Let me know. So you fully power it back up again. Next up, if that doesn't work, we need to repair it, okay? So where you repair it is in your settings and remote and Bluetooth devices. But how are you going to get there without a remote or a Bluetooth device? This is where your phone comes into play, okay? Get your mobile phone, get in your Google Play Store like we are now, Google Play Store, and type in here, Fire TV, okay? And you'll see one called Amazon Fire TV. Mine is installed, as you'll see it up there. Yours, you're going to get it installed, so it's called Amazon Fire TV. We open it, and at this point, we need to connect to our Firestick. I have to remember which one it is. You select the correct one. Okay, I am connected. If it's the first time you ever do this, it will ask for a PIN number, which is connected directly on your... It will pop up on your Firestick screen, okay? And you type that PIN in, and you are connected. The only thing you must be is on the exact same internet as the Firestick. So if your Firestick is connected to your home Wi-Fi, your mobile phone must be connected to your home as well, to your home Wi-Fi. But you can do everything with this remote, including play, rewind, and you can also use a full-on keyboard, so it's actually really useful for searching for stuff. Plus, you can use the Alexa features, voice features, everything. You can find your apps on your actual phone, and then you can just open them straight up that way as well, rather than actually go into your apps. So it's actually useful to download this anyway, guys, okay? Very useful to download this. But today we are going to quickly pop across to settings, and then we're going to go to remotes and Bluetooth. We're going to click it. Amazon Fire TV remotes, okay? Or you can connect other remotes here. If you want to connect something different up because your remote's completely broken, you could connect up maybe a wireless Xbox remote, any of those. But for now, we push Amazon Fire TV remote, and you can add a new one, or these are the ones how to unpair ones you've currently got. So add remote, and what it tells you to do then, above my head, is to hold down the home button. So you hold down that home button while it's searching for about 10 seconds. Hard for me to hold it down because mine's paired. So you hold down the home button on your remote for about 10 seconds, and then it will find it for you, and then you are fully connected. Make sense? So we get this great Amazon app here, which I think is worth having on your phone anyway. Especially if you have multiple Fire Sticks in the house, you can just walk around and control it all from your phone. I'm going to start using this more because I completely forget about it all the time. You can literally do everything from here. Hold down your home buttons. Does all the same stuff. Load your apps. Oh, we exit out again, but there we go. You understand the gist. So it's Amazon Fire TV in the Google Play Store. Makes sense? Amazon Fire TV in your Google Play Store. And that is our last step on how to get that set up. So let me know underneath, guys, if those have helped you, because I know a lot of people will be watching this video because they would have searched how to repair my remote. So let us know underneath if that helped. And if anyone knows any other ways to pair, let us know that underneath as well. Brilliant. Before we leave, guys, if you are a Firestick user, which is very high chance watching this video, we've got loads of other videos on here for you for helping with buffering, for stopping it recording you, for setting it up with apps, things like that, secret codes, making it quicker, deleting certain settings to make it safer, all that stuff. We've done tons of stuff for the Firestick recently, including VPN, streaming apps and everything like that as well. And if you are after all else and that doesn't work, you need a Firestick remote. This is where it can get a bit interesting. The actual decent Firestick remotes these days are around £30, or whatever equivalent for dollars for you guys. A lot of you guys. Or you can get the really basic old one, but no one wants that. So the decent one is £30, which, in my mind, you can get a Firestick for £40, or you can get a Firestick 4K for £50 for the extra £20. So £30 for a remote, £50 for a Firestick. So you're getting your Firestick part, the actual decent part, for 20 quid. So it's probably worth to look at that, to look at, you know, branching out for another Firestick or upgrading your Firestick again if you need a new remote. But then you're obviously only stuck with one remote per 2 devices. Before we leave, quick word from one of our partners. If you do need a VPN, do check out IPVanish VPN. It will help keep your device safe. It will stop your internet company throttling you if they do, and great for your online security. Currently at $3.75 a month. This is linked directly underneath for you. Great encryption, secure access, online anonymity, I can never say that word, unmetered connections. So you can put this on as many devices as you want. It works on a Firestick, Android phones, PCs, whatever you can think of, you can get it on there. So that is linked directly underneath. That is an affiliated link. So if you don't want to help support the channel with an affiliated link, do just search IPVanish, but you might not get the cheap prices we've got. And always underneath we've got all our socials linked. Our socials are linked under there to keep you up to date. We cover all our content on there first and have a bit of a hangout, including on our Facebook where we live stream games, but we've also got a Facebook group as well you can join. There's an Instagram. I've got 2 other channels, including a VR channel linked underneath, a streaming news channel linked underneath. What more could you need? TikTok? Yeah, we got one of those as well. It's all under there. Brilliant. I'm out of here. I've been Doc Squiffy on the Doc Squiffy channel. Hope you subscribed, and I'll see you on the next one.